that was just read out by Ilan. I think the purpose of this press conference is to ask the government, or particularly the police, to make public the police investigation papers, which is commonly known as the IP, in respect of the investigation into the death of Teo Beng Hong. I think, as we all know, there's been quite a long history in this case, culminating recently in the judicial review proceedings, where the current CJ, who was a High Court judge at the time, Dato' Wan Farid, gave judgment in favor of the family for investigations to be completed within 6 months. So there has been, unfortunately, developments in that 6 months, in fact towards the tail end of that 6 months, where they NFA'd the investigations. So that's the position at the moment. But in the course of that judicial review proceedings, in the affidavits, there were we could see that there were various times when the investigation papers were sent back and forth between the police and the Attorney General's chambers. I think at around 8 times, according to the judgment, over a period of a few years. So that indicates, of course, the investigation papers have not been made available to the family, and so we are not in a position to know why it was sent back up and down so many times. Obviously, it's sent back up and down so many times. There must be something wrong with it, right? So that's the purpose of today's press conference. We urge the police to make public or disclose to the family at least those papers, and we will take the necessary. We will discuss with each other as to what the next course of action would be after we see what their response is. So I think that is all I wish to say in respect of what the purpose of today's PC is about.